Hi! In front of me is CUBOT King Kong Mini, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off autocorrection on this smartphone. First of all, you need to access device settings, scroll all the way down and tap on System. Then Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard and Keyboard. Over here, click on Text Correction, scroll down a bit and tap on the switcher next to Autocorrection. As you can see, automatic text correction is now off, but you can always turn it back on by clicking at the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!